Have you ever felt like everyone was against you? Maybe people have lied on you, rejected you, abandoned you, or tried to stop what Yah has called you to do. If so, this message is for you. The Bible never promises that everyone will like you, but it gives us a promise that should fill every believer with confidence. If Yah is for us, who can be against us? When the Creator of heaven and earth is on your side, no person, no demon, and no circumstance can stop His will for your life. Romans 8:31 says, "If Elohim is for us, who can be against us?" Paul did not say that nobody would oppose us. People may misunderstand, falsely accuse, reject, or even hate us because we belong to Yeshua. None of those people are greater than Yah. The question is not, who is against me? The real question is, who is with me? If Yah is standing with you, then you are already on the winning side. Psalm 118:6 says, "Yah is on my side, I will not fear. What can man do to me?" People can reject you, slander you, and close doors in your face, but they cannot stop the plans Yah has established for your life when you continue walking in obedience to Him. Psalm 37:23 says, "The steps of a good man are ordered by Yah, and He delights in His way." Children of Yah are not called to control every outcome. We are called to obey. When Yah orders your steps, every step has purpose. Delays have purpose. Closed doors have purpose. Trials have purpose. If Yah is directing your path, then nothing is wasted. Proverbs 3:5-6 says, "Trust in Yah with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct your paths." Sometimes Yah's direction will not make sense. He may tell you to wait, leave a comfortable place, forgive someone who hurt you, or remain silent when your flesh wants to argue. Trusting Yah means believing His wisdom is greater than ours. Galatians 5:16 tells us to walk in the Spirit. The Holy Spirit guides us, convicts us, teaches us, and reminds us of Yah's word. Every day we must choose whether to follow our emotions or obey the Holy Spirit. The safest place to be is in complete obedience to Yah. Isaiah 41:10 says, "Fear not, for I am with you. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you." Yah does not promise an easy life. He promises His presence, and His presence changes everything. Protection, peace, and strength come from remaining close to Yah. The enemy cannot remove you from His hand when you remain faithful. Matthew 6:33 says, "Seek first the kingdom of Elohim and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you." The world chases money, status, and approval. Children of Yah chase Yah. Everything else comes after Him. Do not be distracted by who is against you. Focus on the one who is for you. If Yah is for you, no one can cancel His purpose for your life. If Yah opens a door, no one can shut it. If Yah closes a door, no one can force it open. Keep praying. Keep obeying the Holy Spirit. Keep trusting Yah. Keep allowing Him to order your steps. When Yah goes before you, victory belongs to Him. If this message encouraged you, share it, subscribe to True Gospel Talk, and continue walking in the truth of Yah's Word. Shalom.